Because unless there is peace and unity, and unless we try to fill the gap between the family, the clan, the tribe, the village, and the tribe, and the various tribes around us, we cannot go away. We'll be stuck in between. So, just in short, to recap, just summarize the last thing. हमें पूरा लिखा था यार और पैसा कुछ ही था दुनिया में इसी डेवलप हो गई ताजा में खुशी होगी because इधर दुनिया में शेयर हो रहा है ना आगे पीछे साइज हो रहा है what is happening around us with the kind of Trump with the war in Israel with the war in Ukraine in Russia even scientists can say the nuclear
Thank you so much. ¿Qué va a hacer?
And we are all Christians here, so Christians here, and the apostles also here. The peace that Jesus Christ gave to us, we saw Jesus coming give peace level, which dunya de actually between the parable and giving the parable. I say, and I'm sharing this because all of us are Christians, and so Christian environment to go on. I say, that should be the first thing. The peace that I give unto you, which no man will give you, which you cannot find from anywhere in the world. That's what the scripture tells us. So let us yearn for that, and I hope I congratulate you all on the formation of this YYO and this first Experience Council Conference here. It's just my prayer and my hope that your organization will be a light and a salt to all the people around you. You will be a guiding force, people will find solace, they will find care and hope, and they will be able to look up to your organization as an organization that can bring strength to the people around you, to the tribe, European tribe, and to all the lives in general. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Another encouraging words. This is what I'm going to show you. So you have to program also T percent Gabo, E percent YGPA, F percent YTC. Armasan kalangan dengan de manusia manusia.
Aku bisa engage lagi, cikgu bingki bengku, so yang Yemchong organization, kurung cat lagi kurung lembego, presiden, abiyo, official ko, so I kurung curi lagi, isayo division abu, ADC sir. This ESC, Bungro, most respected as the show has some Kenya, Hambadumbo, Mr. Kisamu, Limkyong, Hambadumbo, Brother Imes Legimo in the press, Abiam Kande, Kunum Singna, Gatika, Tangu Singna, Shamado, Chester, Bungro, Tongsa Harisuna, Konum Abansuna Alala Kilim, Kenchiso. Kenya Hasim, Gadamsung, Gadika, Ardo, Azakutba, Alarido, telling the Lamsi Limbo, 고야라시 리베르고 늘라모나 니미트를 부수 늘라모나 니미트를 감소 중원아 내지자 나알지 알라 스수 정금을 불사미 범아반 알무기사 하승이는 그런 사람 타이라 이 아미 일종 기사로 그것을 हमारा तुमसे एरिया जो सबसे मजबूत बाहर दिया से टूर दिया से भले भी मन तो शुरू नहीं तमोर से ईश्वर हमारा लोग जी भी मजी पढ़ाई जीवन रखा दो मौका भी ताकि खड़ा से खड़ा बोल के आन के लिए जो ये हम जो काम कौन से काम बड़ा बाय काम बड़ा वो बताए वो
라이프 붙여봐. 라이프 뒤에서. 자, 가보고 있어.
이 공사생활을 이제 바로 그런 가이드가 있어. 이런 쪽이 organization 앞으로 있으지. 그게 당기고 그러는 두는 무지지 이사기를 기운 방어 아스로서에 할 이사나 아쿠티기 기운이나 알라지기 이사는 당기가 지금 총기가 다 돌아가 다 이런데 그러는 이사는 아스리 이사기 돌아오니 그 시기에 그 좋은데 나는 시작했대 아저씨 인생 매장매치게 이사는 치유원의 비반성계 이사는 시국의 의쇼 개다주와 막시야 바로 이사 가수가 이사 아무랑 나와면 중국감도 아사를 시작하고 아스는데 아스는 시작하고 아프니 시작하고
소라.
중원은 어디로